The Eggcellent Easter Adventure by Darcy Kobos. It's an exciting new book with activities that will enhance the true meaning and symbolisms of your children's Easter experience. Follow Hardy, Anastasia, Pascal, and their dog Zeke as they discover a glorious mystery. Snooping around the attic, they find an intriguing treasure chest containing a curious, glowing Easter egg. Only when the kids unite as one do they learn the secret of the egg. It transports them around the world on a wondrous adventure to find the greatest treasure of all. Along the way, the kids discover how God's Word will guide them through trouble and change their lives. With visually stunning hand-drawn illustrations by professional animators, this new adventure is sure to capture your children's attention and teach important principles in the process. For more information about this book, other Easter products, and how to host your very own glow-in-the-dark Easter egg hunt, go to egglowentertainment.com and invite the true meaning of Easter into your home.